part 1 and save it. Again take new. Choose sketch. Sketch. Choose right plane. We will draw a bolt in this session. Choose hexagonal and choose polygon and choose here. You have to select 6 number of corner and draw it. Choose a circle and draw from its center and give its dimension to 10 mm. Circle dimension is 10 mm. Okay, that's fine. You can exit and extrude it to 7 mm. You can choose select contour and clear it and choose a profile in a solid form. Okay, that's fine. Choose this face. You can choose this face and draw a circle in this face like this. Okay, that's fine. You can exit and choose extruded cut, flip outside the and provide a draft angle 60°. Then okay, cut. You can choose cut and mirror it about right plane. Then press OK. Choose sketch. Sorry, not this sketch. Choose this sketch and choose extruded cut. No, extruded. Select entities, clear it. Choose this. You can give its length 40. 40 is enough. 10, 20, 40, 50. You can take 50. Blindly. Not from mid plane. You can choose blindly. This type. You can apply fillet at corner 1 mm. You can apply fillet and you can also apply thread in this plane region. Okay. Okay, extruded cut. You can provide offset also in opposite direction and give its range 32 from top. Okay, it looks nice. Then you can save. Part number 2. Okay, again you can choose new file. Then sketch, you have to select a front plane. Draw again hexagon. Again you have to use circle and draw a circle in hexagon, provide its dimension is 10. Okay, that's fine. Click OK, exit sketch and apply extrusion, shape 1 mm. Okay, you can choose this page and choose sketch and draw a circle from its center to its corner. Exit and apply extruded cut, flip outside and provide the draft angle 60. Okay, again you can choose this face and draw a circle from its center to its corner. Exit, take extruded cut, flip outside, provide drop angle 60. Okay, that's fine. Apply thread, okay, in this region, not 32, only 10. Offset 1 mm or 2 mm. Okay, that's fine. This thread will not apply in your nut, so you can mirror this profile inside the nut. Okay, then you have to choose okay, then it's look like this. You can also save this as part number 3. Rebuild and save. If you want to like this video, then please do like and subscribe my channel for more update.